AI is moving incredibly fast. So today, let's break down the single biggest trend shaping it all.
We're seeing insane growth everywhere. But what's the big picture? Where is this train actually going? Okay, with all the hype, there's one core idea that's really changing everything. And that idea is Agentic AI. For anyone in tech or finance, this is huge. Basically, it's not just one AI. It's a whole team of them working together on complex stuff. And we're already seeing this in action. Think automated security, coding, you name it.
So yeah, this isn't some far-off concept. It's driving a massive industrial shift right now.
Case in point, NVIDIA's CEO just announced a huge deal to transform South Korea's entire industry.
They're literally building what they call AI factories with thousands of GPUs to supercharge manufacturing.
And it's not just overseas. OpenAI is building a giant campus right here in the US. Okay, but with all this cash flying around, how do we actually measure the results?
Well, new tools are popping up, like indexes, to track AI's impact on work and medicine.
And that's key, right? Connecting all this tech progress to actual real-world value. But of course, with more power come more problems. And Agentic AI has some big ones.
It all boils down to this. How much freedom do we give the AI versus how much we oversee it? People are calling it the oversight game, finding that balance between safety and autonomy.
This crazy growth also has a lot of smart people wondering, is this whole thing a bubble? And there are real concerns, like models outpacing hardware and really unclear data markets.
So, the main takeaway here, Agentic AI isn't just coming soon, it's already here. Which leaves us with the big question. As these agents get smarter, how do we make sure we're still in charge?